All India Trinamal Congress Meghalaya kala bani kendu klumar jingmut nak mentau kyrtong Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla nak tei ke sengsan hima hak jied ti ke jongka sak election nong bikman jong ke ying dor bartawan ke Jylla house nam arjar fulai wan kama mata banerji chairperson ka AITC ka klemtre banjuba ye ya ke jingkli yeno ban jied ku kyrtong Myntri Rangbah kala shuong bau dan Dr Mukul sangma Myntri Rangbah barem bat kinong ilam kumba Charles Pongro bat kiwei bat i hak kenhun MLA bat ke parti na Meghalaya banrai
Meghalaya party decision is yes. We will not interfere in their decision. They will do it.
Candidate.
We will tell you very soon. Let the election.
Abhishek had already named Dr. Mukul in Pura.
Let the election announced. Mukul was chief minister. So Mukul is. We are very happy about his performance. Charles is also there. We are very happy. So you can guess.
No, but the people of Meghalaya wants TMC to at least name the chief ministerial candidate now.
Let the election declared. Then you will let you know. Agenda we are doing. We are trying to do. We will be doing all the important work here, from students to youth to Mahila. There is no scheme here, but I have so many schemes. All the schemes. So to help the people. I think that our agenda will be exposed within a short time. But I am happy that Meghalaya we have the leadership, good leadership. That will give us the boost up.